Hello everyone. Today we are introducing a double-tube continuous fully automatic reduction furnace. The reduction furnace is an important equipment for preparing high-purity metal powders. Its working principle is to use hydrogen to react with metal oxides under high-temperature conditions to reduce the oxides to metals. It is mainly used for the preparation of refractory metal powders such as iron, copper, cobalt, tungsten, and molybdenum. The equipment you see now is a double-tube reduction furnace, which is preparing molybdenum metal powder. After being automatically weighed, the material is evenly spread in the boat. After the furnace door is automatically opened, the boat enters the furnace body through the circulation track and then enters the heating section and cooling section in turn. In the hydrogen environment, a reduction reaction occurs and it is converted into molybdenum dioxide. After cooling, the material enters the discharge section, the rear furnace door opens automatically, and the material is sent to the unloading area through the outer circulation track. The intelligent mechanical arm realizes automatic unloading and automatic cleaning. The cleaned empty boat is circulated into the loading area to realize large-scale and continuous production. The main features of this equipment. First, it uses precision temperature control technology to ensure the stability of product quality. Second, it has a fully automatic loading and unloading system, which can realize the automatic control of the entire process of material transmission. At the same time, it uses dual-cavity independent reduction, which has high production efficiency. To learn more about high-temperature equipment, please follow ACME.